ma'am. Go to that Skype, ma'am, and download the installment payment terms for vendors. That video. Go to the Skype, ma'am. And go up. Go up. ఒకసారి పైకి వెళ్ళండి. ఇది తీసుకోండి మ్యామ్. అది ఒకసారి ఓపెన్ చేయండి మ్యామ్. అది అసలు ఏంటి పేమెంట్ టర్మ్స్ ఫర్ వెండర్స్, కస్టమర్సా వెండర్సా? అది ఇది ఓపెన్ చేయండి మ్యామ్. ఇది okay, good. Just pause this video. Okay, right, all of you. So the next one is in SAP as for HANA, everything is same. I mean, if you find out any errors and all, we will try to resolve it. Okay, that is no issue. And you know it very well, and how we can able to create the customer installment payment terms and using transaction codes and all, we can able to do it. Okay, so go to the transaction code OBB8. So try to log in into the system. Try to log in with your system. Okay, then go to the transaction code OBB8. Go to the transaction code OBB8, and then this transaction code we will try to create the source of installment payment terms. Okay, what is the source of installment payment term? For each and every normal payment terms, we do have one source of installment payment term. For that thing, we can able to create it up. Okay, go to the transaction code OBB8. In that thing, go to the new address. See, I'm getting late screen.
Sir, can you see my screen?
Okay, ma'am. Now I am getting your screen. Go to the SAP system, ma'am. Okay, so source of installment payment terms are that is PTVE. Okay, so this is source of installment payment terms, and first installment is 50 per. Okay, we do the another scenario. First installment payment terms is 75 percentage. Second installment payment term is 25 percentage. Try to write down the thing. First installment 75 percentage, comma. Second installment Ma'am, are you done with the own explanation?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then next
First
take out the
installment.
default for document date now. Default for baseline date is the document date
Okay, sir.
and installment payment terms, and click on the enter and go to the save button and save it. Tick mark on the installment payment terms. See why I am taking the scenario that is first installment is 75 percentage and second installment 25 percentage. And whatever the installments that we are taking, that should be matched with the source of installment payment term. Okay, so try to have this source of installment payment term because when it comes to the some of the clients, they use just these source of installment payment terms. So these are the important points that we have right now. Okay, so come back, ma'am, and go to the new address and try to create a one first installment, which is 75 percentage installment.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Huh.
What is the use of day limit, sir?
See, I have already explained you about the day limiter. That is, now you are in a 25th June 2023. Okay, now you are just giving 25th. Day limit is 25th. So after the 25th date, you cannot calculate the cash discounts for the particular vendor. I mean, we will not going to get the cash discounts for the vendor. Okay, so they will just have the day limit. See, without day limit also we cannot have the cash discounts based on the terms of payments. And the main important thing is that day limit. They will understand the day limit when they double click on the all these things. Automatically, client will understand the thing that so you will do the documentation, right? So based on that day limit, so okay, we will just give the cash discounts to the particular customers. Okay, so you will going to have one limit from the client information. You will going to have one limit. Okay, that is till this date only we will going to calculate the cash discount. On that particular date, we will just give the a day limit as anything. Okay, like 5, 25, 30, 15, 20, like this.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. And see, that is why I have already explained you. So just do with that day limit also. Okay, don't worry. Go to the new entries and try to take out the uh, first installment. Okay, give the payment terms now. Any payment term. Give the 4-digit key And in the sales text, you can just take out the first installment. Sales text is a first installment. And in the own explanation, you can just give first installment within 10 days. First installment 75%, comma within 10 days. How much cash discount? 6% cash discount. Within 10 days, 6% cash discount. See, for every data type character, they will have the length. So that is why we will also have the length. Okay. See, at one point of time, so you cannot write the whole word, right? So that is the data type length. Okay. Database service people, they will take care of all these things. Okay. So first percentage is 60% and number of days is 10 days. Click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Not the 60%, 6%. Remove the 60%. Okay, no one will going to give the 60%, even though in real times and all client will give the 2% cash discounts only, not more than that. Go to the save button and save it and try to create the second installment payment term. Come back and go to the new entries and try to create the second installment payment term. All of you don't miss the classes and all. If you miss the classes, you will not going to get the points. Okay, even though if you have the video and all. Document date and how much cash discount within 20 days. You can just give 4% cash discount. Within 20 days, 4% cash discount. %, and 20 days and document due date and all. I mean document date and all. Click on the enter, go to the save button and save it. Then next one, assign these installment payment terms for one payment term, that is source of installment payment term, using transaction code OBP9. Go to the transaction code OBP9 now. OBP9. Go to the new address. Give the payment terms. No, not the position. Directly you can just go to the new address. New entries. Give the source of installment payment term that you have created. First installment and percentage is 75%. So we have another scenario that is 75% and payment term. What is the payment term that you have created for the first installment? Try to give it. Okay, then same thing, payment terms PE, PT, VE, and second installment, this is 25% and payment term is, see, when you take the amount 1 lakh rupee, 75,000 is for the first installment, 25,000 is for the second installment. So it, I mean, will it going to calculate all these things? We will going to see it. Go to the save button and save it. Give slash n. Yes, and we need to assign these source of installment payment term in vendor master records using transaction code XK02. Go to the transaction code XK02 now. That is BP only. It will be redirected to the BP transaction code in SAP S4 HANA. Okay, and take out the vendor based on your company code. What is your company code, ma'am? DUR1, right? Take out the DUR1 here. Remove the SARA. Click on the enter and go to the vendor. Take out the vendor account. Go to the company code data payment transactions. Click on the enter and try to give the source of installment payment term in the payment term transaction tab. Remove the payment terms, ma'am, and give the payment terms transaction. Okay, click on the enter, go to the subheading and save it. I mean, check with this thing, check this thing and go to the subheading and save it. No issue. If the business partner is error free, then only we can able to do it, all of you. Otherwise we cannot, right? Give slash n, ma'am. Go to the transaction code FB60. Give slash n, go to the transaction code FB60, try to raise the vendor invoice based on that. So we have changed the scenario to the 75% and 25%, right? Now we can see it. Give 2 lakh amount and vendor. $25.06.2023 and the amount is 2 lakh. Good. And the document header text, do we have no issue? Give the GL account. Give the GL account and the amount is 2 lakh rupee. Click on the enter, go to the payment tab. Try to see whether source of installment payment terms has been picked up or not. Yes, try to change this tolerance group. Okay, good, ma'am. So go to the simulate option. Okay, so now you can just see 75,000 and 50,000. Sorry, 1,50,000 and 50,000 rupees. Okay, right. Go to the save button and save it. Why we are not getting the errors in SAP S4 HANA? Okay, I mean no one has changed the universal journal ledger, right? That is why. Go to the transaction code -53. Try to give the post outgoing payments details. Document header text is payment to vendor. Vendor clearing and amount account.
So amount is 1,50,000, no?
No, 1,50,000 now. See, if you don't give the amount also, you will going to get the details in charge of differences in all screen. There is no issue. That is your choice. If you give the zero amount also, it will going to accept. But you need to select all these amounts in that particular screen. Okay, so many things are there. Try to, what we need to do is, ma'am, only select, deselect 50,000, 20,000 and 50,000 also. Only select 1,50,000. I mean 9,000 is the cash discount. Okay, 6%, right? And go to the charge of difference, ma'am, and try to give 1,41,000. Double click on this thing and remove the 1,50,000. Just give 1,41,000. Just click on the enter. Go to the process open items. So it will be 0 then. Go to the document most option. So try to clear rest of the invoices and all of you. Document simulate and go to the save button and save it. And go to the transaction code FPL1N. So try to clear each and every document, all of you. Okay. Why? Because it is a testing server, right? FPL1N. See the open items and create items, whatever it may be. Okay. So we have cleared 150,000 rupees. Good. I will going to stop this recording, all of you.